Hi, this is Debbie J from Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm going to share how I am using my envelope punch board to help me get more organized. I love the really cute photo boxes at Michael's, so I'm going to store the cards that I've made in this one. Isn't the unicorn just too cute? But the box isn't quite tall enough. I need to see what's in there. I saw a video from Maymay Made It where she used the Memory Keeper's tab punch board. I thought I could use what I already have, my envelope punch board. So I thought I'd give it a try. I loved how it turned out, and I'll use my envelope punch board to help organize my craft supplies too. First, I needed to make the risers for my box to give it a little more space. The risers are 5 1/4 by 10 3/4 inches. Then I made the dividers for my cards. They measure 5 by 7 1/4 inches. Once the card is cut, I just needed to add the tabs. This is so easy. First, I lined up the edge of my card with the center of the punch, and then just punched that edge. Then I moved the edge of the paper over to 2 1/2 inches and punched again. Once that is done, you can see there's the tab. I then brought back out my paper trimmer and lined up the punches that I just made with the cutting line, so then I can cut a straight line from the edge of the punch all the way to the other corner. And there you have it. There is my completed tabbed card. All I need to do now is round the corners and add a label to it. You could skip rounding the corners, but it does give a real polished look. So now I'm just going to put that divider back in, and everything's done. So this project is complete. Thank you so much for coming by. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks again, and happy crafting!